port of Yokohama was opened to the world 130 years ago. At that time, the port was the gateway for silk and tea exports and cotton and wool imports. Today, exports center on automobiles and office equipment, and imports on non-ferrous metals and crude oil. Kanagawa Prefecture, linked directly to Japan's capital, Tokyo, has two main arteries, the Shinkansen bullet train and the Tokyo-Nagoya Expressway. Kanagawa is now gathering momentum toward the 21st century. A giant steel mill built in the coastal heavy chemical industries complex that propelled Japan's high economic growth. Steel is one of Kanagawa's representative industries. It is manufactured in giant mills equipped with large-scale denitration apparatuses to enhance environmental safety. A line of steel ingots. This mill's continuous energy-saving casting technology leads the world. The automobile industry, another representative Kanagawa industry. This factory early introduced factory automation to its assembly lines. Here, industrial robots, servicing in place of man, do jobs that are dangerous or are carried out in adverse environments. Improved product quality and productivity are the result. At first, each of these robots had names, but their numbers increased to a degree where the custom had to be discontinued. Engines being mounted. Automobiles designed with a clear-cut concept and many original aspects roll out from here to the world. Hakone, a national park. Hakone, one of Japan's typical sightseeing resorts, hosts some 20 million tourists a year. Hakone's superb wooden mosaic work, with its natural hues and textures, was created more than 200 years ago. The ancient city of Kamakura. Kamakura is renowned for its 800 years of fine carving and lacquering. The patterns carved by the skilled craftsmen display a precision that appears to be measured. Great Buddha, built 750 years ago. The enormous statue rises to a height of 24 meters. At a time when measuring standards and instruments were poor, people sought salvation in such forms. Measuring. Precision measuring technology, a fundamental technology on which modern industries are based. We now have technology that allows measurement of anything, regardless of shape. We also have technology that enables us to instantly measure differences in micron units. Since the 18th century Industrial Revolution, high-precision measuring technology has helped man's dreams come true. It also contributed to creating today's advanced technologies and sophisticated industries. Research and development activities continued in pursuit of high degrees of precision. Conducted here is the computer-aided designing of new measuring instruments. Kanagawa's young engineers are opening up a new era, for example, by developing a three-dimensional measuring instrument. Today, micron unit measurement precision is possible through CCD camera-based image processing that allows measurement to be performed without any physical contact with the object to be measured. This is the very essence of micron unit precision measuring technology. It is revealed with an ultra-precision scale and an ultra-microscope, a mechanism that enables movement with the highest degree of accuracy, quietness and speed has become a reality. Molds, manufactured with today's precision technology, have realized absolute uniformity. Precision molds processed in a clean room kept at a temperature of 21 degrees Celsius. Skilled workers who can discern delicate differences in the sound generated by grinding. Combined with today's high technologies, their experience and expertise also play an important role in achieving micron unit precision. Shifting from heavy chemical industries to mechanical industries, and now to a brain-intensive industrial center pivoting on electronics and mechatronics. Kanagawa plays a pioneering role in many fields. ICs, called the staff of industry. In terms of the value of semiconductor ICs and industrial robot shipments, Kanagawa leads the other prefectures of Japan. VLSIs, manufactured in a Class 1 clean room. A-class represents numbers of larger than 5 micron dust particles existing in a cube of 30 cubic centimeters. Class 1 is the status for cleanliness with just 1 particle. IC bonding. Sophisticated ICs patterned on chips no larger than several millimeters square. These ICs have helped quicken the progress of technological innovation. An assembly line, attended by only a few workers, is the result of computer-integrated manufacturing that approaches 100%. Here, data transmitted from the host computer through the local area network, LAN, control every operation, from parts procurement to receiving and delivery, and from production to shipment. Mechatronics has also realized unattended automated warehousing. Computer-controlled lifts run in every direction to store or ship out parts and components in a short time. Thus have advanced technologies linked warehousing and production in real time. Parts and components taken out of storage are then carried to the assembly line by delivery robots, with rhythmical background music signaling the movement of the robots. A factory that has not only adopted a clean room system, but also computer-controlled automation and energy-saving functions is a model factory oriented toward the next generation. Kanagawa's high-tech industries are backed up by both small and medium-sized enterprises, because they all have their own highly rated technologies. This is a magnetic levitation transport system, developed for wafer transportation to enhance IC productivity even more. the levitated arms of the system. A remarkably high degree of cleanliness can be maintained in wafers by transporting them in a vacuum, untouched by human hands. An IC photomask inspection apparatus, the world's first of its kind. Flaws, if any, in these photomasks are detected with laser lights, magnified with a lens, and projected on the screen as an image. A machine has also been developed to enhance wafer dicing precision. It is a technology that has realized quick positioning through image manipulation. Kanagawa's technologies answer the needs of high-tech industries for higher degrees of precision and reliability in their products. High-tech industries that establish factories in Kanagawa enjoy distinct advantages. They can fully utilize the accumulated technologies of the Kanagawa-based enterprises, large and small. So it is no wonder that many overseas companies are shifting their production bases to Kanagawa. Here in this building, a Baden-Württemberg-based enterprise is now doing business and simultaneously fostering friendly relations between West Germany and Kanagawa Prefecture. Japanese technical staff members involved in wafer research and development activities with German engineers. With a high market share in Japan, this company sends its market development technology back to Germany. Non-Japanese ICs. These ICs are used for printed wiring boards manufactured by a computer maker in Japan. Quite a few Kanagawa-based Japanese enterprises use foreign-made parts for their electronic products. Engineers from developing nations. Based at the AOTS, Yokohama Kenshu Training Center, they continue their studies while working. Aiming to increase harmonious international relations, Kanagawa places importance on promoting foreign enterprises and their products and providing technical collaboration and guidance. To make dreams come true. Their attitude toward learning technology is highly commendable.
Yokohama City Hall no 勉強しました。私は専門は平和会検査です。国へ帰るの時は
Coming to Japan from countries with different languages and customs, they also play a role in furthering cultural exchange and mutual understanding. Enoshima Island. Blessed with beautiful natural scenery, Kanagawa also offers many sightseeing resorts, all abounding with sparkling waters and refreshing verdure. Yokohama, a city where world fashions can be found. Lustrous silk scarves, for which Kanagawa is also noted, well known as Yokohama scarves. High technologies are not just confined to industrial application. They also produce comfort for everyday life. Office automation is entering our lives as a new means of communication. Residential areas, too, are being made intelligent to enhance environmental amenities related to social life and information gathering activities. Artificial intelligence is also introduced into household security systems, bringing changes in our lifestyle. Home automation enables living environmental conditions and security to be checked automatically and will be necessary in future. With just a push-button phone call away from home, air conditioners, lighting, and household electric appliances can be controlled. Today, not only are brain-intensive industries, research and development laboratories and universities establishing bases in Kanagawa, but a brain center project is being promoted to benefit high-tech institutions. Research and development-oriented offices have also been put to practical use to provide researchers with the ideal space for their activities. Software engineers' offices are provided with personal workstations. Using them, information can be searched and retrieved as required. Messenger robots are used for inter-office document transport. Here, an advanced security system has been established. The test room and the electromagnetic anechoic chamber. By collecting data and holding discussions, researchers strive to create computers that will generate less noise and give concrete form to their aspirations.
Okay, here's the data, Hong Kong and Miami.
A computer terminal to process foreign languages, made a reality through such efforts.
Okay, here's the final version of the chart.
Okay. We are looking at the this chart.
Computers have made it possible to clear away language barriers and smooth communication among peoples. The Kanagawa Science Park. This park is the result of a project to rearrange and reorganize Kanagawa's prefectural research and development institutions to make the brain center concept an actuality. The Kanagawa Science Park is dedicated to the three themes of development, creation, and exchange. Here, researchers, businessmen, and others concerned from all over the world meet for a free exchange of views, with no limits on nationality or field of business. The park, a network of international enterprises, functions as an information originating base. A business incubator for software. It is a place for consultation aimed at producing creative entrepreneurs. It also has a laboratory for strengthening the research and development capabilities of enterprises oriented toward technological research.
We are not people like
With the 21st century approaching, changes are occurring in the world's industrial structure, with demand increasing for information and knowledge, backed by science and technology. Kanagawa Prefecture, which has been at the forefront since the start of Japan's industrialization, will again endeavor to be a pioneer for the globalization and advancement of Japan's economy. Artworks created using high technologies. Each seed here will grow into a lovely flower, and flowers can flourish in any part of the world for the enrichment of mankind. Man's needs give birth to technology, which in turn realizes man's dreams. Kanagawa's technologies are endeavoring to provide the greatest contributions toward these dreams.